Have you noticed how influencers who once flaunted Chanel, Dior, and Louis Vuitton bags are suddenly ditching them? The same people who built their image around luxury hauls are now carrying quiet, logo-free handbags, or sometimes none at all. What changed? Today we're diving into why so many are stepping away from designer bags, and whether this shift is just another fleeting trend or a real transformation in what luxury means today. Let's start with the obvious. Designer bag prices have skyrocketed, but the quality hasn't exactly kept up. Just a few years ago, buying a Louis Vuitton Speedy or a Chanel Classic Flap was considered a smart investment piece, something that would hold value and last for decades. But with Chanel's price hikes, some models increasing by more than 60% in the past 5 years, many fashion lovers are realizing they're paying more for the logo than the craftsmanship itself. And this isn't just online gossip. Long-time collectors are the first to notice that the leather feels thinner, the stitching less precise, and the hardware lighter than before. One Chanel buyer even compared her 2015 Classic Flap to her 2023 version and said the newer one felt noticeably flimsier. That doesn't exactly scream luxury, does it? So when influencers start to notice that decline, it's no surprise they begin questioning the message they're sending. Because if you're spending $10,000 on a handbag that doesn't feel any better than one that costs a fraction of that, what exactly are you promoting? And that brings us to a question that will run through this entire discussion. Have designer bags lost their meaning? We'll come back to that later, but first let's explore the deeper emotional and cultural reasons behind this movement. The price to quality disconnect. Prices for designer bags have always risen steadily, but lately the increases feel disconnected from reality. Chanel's medium Classic Flap now costs nearly as much as a used car, and even Hermès, the pinnacle of luxury, has become harder to justify when the resale market is saturated with the same so-called exclusive bags. For a long time, luxury fashion relied on the illusion that higher prices meant better quality and greater prestige. But now it feels more like a strategy to create artificial scarcity. The point isn't to make a better product, it's to make you feel like you're missing out if you don't buy it. Influencers are catching on to that. Their followers aren't responding the same way they used to. Comments like, "This looks like the same bag you showed last year," or "I could never afford that," are becoming more common. The admiration that once surrounded these luxury pieces is being replaced by a sense of detachment. When the admiration disappears, so does the influence. That's why many influencers are turning toward brands that feel more relatable, brands that reflect taste, effort, and craftsmanship, rather than a hefty price tag. The emotional connection that once came from exclusivity now comes from authenticity. And there's another layer to it: trust. Audiences have grown more educated. They know about markups, about manufacturing shortcuts, and about the marketing illusion of scarcity. When consumers realize the same Italian factory that produces for a high-end label also makes for smaller independent ones, it changes everything. Price alone is no longer proof of quality. Ethical and sustainability concerns. Then there's another layer to this shift: ethics and sustainability. The luxury industry loves to market itself as the opposite of fast fashion: timeless, slow, and environmentally conscious. But behind the marketing, the truth isn't always so pretty. Luxury brands produce massive quantities of goods each season to meet demand. Many are even rumored to destroy unsold stock to maintain exclusivity, which feels completely tone-deaf in a world increasingly concerned with waste and sustainability. On top of that, questions about labor conditions, animal welfare, and environmental impact are becoming harder to ignore. Influencers, especially those with younger audiences, know that sustainability now drives engagement. People want transparency. They want to know who made their bag, how it was sourced, and whether it will last. So when influencers start switching to brands that champion ethical practices, brands that use responsible leather sourcing, or focus on small-scale production, it's not a coincidence. It's a reflection of changing values. It's also about conscience. Many influencers have openly admitted that promoting products made under questionable conditions no longer sits right with them. The appeal of saying, "I bought this for $5,000 has faded. What's attractive now is saying, "I bought something made responsibly, by artisans who care about their craft, and it will last me 20 years. This movement also reflects a cultural awakening. People are beginning to question not only how luxury goods are made, but also why they're made. If a bag requires dozens of animals, months of production, and carbon-heavy logistics just to serve as a status symbol, what does that say about our values? The new generation of fashion lovers would rather support brands with purpose than power. Luxury, in other words, is becoming about responsibility, not indulgence. Trend fatigue. When it bags stop being it. Let's be honest, there's only so many times you can see the same Prada Ray Edition or Bottega Veneta Jodi bag before it stops feeling special. A few years ago, the it bag dominated fashion culture. Everyone wanted to carry the same trending design because it symbolized being in. But overexposure killed the magic. Once every influencer carries the same item, it no longer feels aspirational. It feels like uniformity. In a space built on individuality and self-expression, that sameness is a death sentence. Luxury brands keep releasing new versions of the same bags each season to reignite that spark. But audiences are growing tired of it. They're craving something genuine, something with emotional weight and timelessness. This is why influencers are beginning to favor understated bags that don't rely on trends or loud logos to be recognized. Think of a structured, minimalist leather bag that pairs with everything and looks just as elegant 5 years from now as it does today. The appeal lies in timelessness, not hype. What's interesting is that this move away from it bags hasn't hurt influencers. It's actually strengthened their credibility. Their followers trust them more because their style feels personal and independent, not dictated by brand collaborations or press gifts. In a strange way, ditching designer logos has made influencers more influential. There's also a psychological relief in this. When you stop chasing the next big it item, you reclaim your sense of style. You're no longer buying to fit in, you're buying to express who you are. And that kind of authenticity resonates much more deeply in today's culture. The rise of quality mid-range bags. Now, while the top-tier designer market is losing its luster, mid-range luxury brands are having their moment. These are the brands that offer genuine craftsmanship, beautiful design, and ethical production at prices that still feel grounded in reality. For years, there was a massive gap between fast fashion and true luxury. But now, that middle ground is thriving. You can find bags made from full-grain leather, hand-stitched detailing, and timeless silhouettes for a fraction of the price of the big-name brands. This has redefined what modern luxury looks like. It's not about owning the most recognizable logo. It's about finding a piece that feels like you. There's a quote from designer Phoebe Philo that perfectly captures this mindset. True luxury is having the time to make something well. That's the spirit of this shift. People want to know their purchase supports skill, not status. When someone carries a beautifully made but understated bag from a smaller brand, it doesn't scream wealth, it whispers taste. And that quiet confidence feels fresher and more modern than any monogram ever could. What's more, mid-range brands often offer better customer service, more honest marketing, and products designed for real-life functionality. You don't feel like you're paying for a logo, you feel like you're paying for the work that went into it. And that transparency has become a new form of luxury itself. Practicality, form, finally meets function. Another reason influencers are letting go of their designer bags is surprisingly simple: practicality. Many of the most iconic designer bags weren't made for daily use. They're heavy, delicate, and often lack the functionality modern women need. Imagine spending thousands on a handbag only to discover your phone doesn't fit inside, or that it scratches if you breathe near it. It sounds ridiculous, but it's a common complaint. One influencer even joked that her Dior saddlebag is the world's most expensive coin purse. Meanwhile, newer brands are designing with modern lifestyles in mind. They focus on function as much as form. Lightweight materials, adjustable straps, smart compartments, and durable finishes. These aren't bags that demand care. They're bags that make your life easier. Influencers who travel, shoot content, and live busy lives are realizing that practicality is the new luxury. There's no point owning a bag that stays in its dust bag most of the time. The most luxurious thing you can have today is something that works beautifully and lasts a lifetime. Have designer bags lost their meaning? It's time to circle back to our question. Have designer bags lost their meaning? Not entirely, but their meaning has changed. Designer bags used to represent success, ambition, and exclusivity. Now, they often symbolize excess, overexposure, and outdated forms of status. The shift isn't about rejecting luxury altogether, it's about redefining what it means. Today's consumers crave substance. They want pieces that reflect personal values, not just social hierarchies. When an influencer chooses a discreet, beautifully made bag from a smaller brand, it sends a powerful message. I don't need a logo to prove my worth. That kind of quiet confidence is the new status symbol. Designer bags haven't lost their relevance, but the obsession with them as trophies has. The focus is moving from owning more to owning better. The backlash against performative luxury. Another big factor in this change is the backlash against performative luxury. For years, social media was dominated by unboxings, logo hauls, and what's in my bag videos filled with high-end items. But now that same content is starting to feel hollow. Smart influencers are adapting. They're moving away from constant promotion and towards storytelling, transparency, and real connection. They show what they actually use, how they style items repeatedly, and why they value quality over brand names. This change marks a new chapter in influencer culture. The focus is no longer on selling aspiration, it's on sharing perspective. Luxury is becoming less about, look at what I have, and more about, look at what I value. And in a world overwhelmed by trends, honesty is the rarest luxury of all. What comes next? The future of luxury. So, what does the future hold for luxury bags? It's likely we'll see a continued shift toward longevity, ethics, and individuality. Consumers will buy fewer items, but expect them to last longer. The brands that thrive will be the ones that earn trust, not just prestige. Luxury fashion will return to its roots: craftsmanship, artistry, and intention. Expect to see more collaborations with artisans, limited production runs, and transparency about sourcing and materials. The industry is beginning to realize that modern consumers want meaning behind every purchase. As for influencers, they'll continue redefining what luxury looks like for their audiences. Because influence isn't about pushing people to buy, it's about shaping how they think about value. So, why are influencers ditching their designer bags? Because the symbols of luxury they once represented no longer fit the times. Prices keep rising, quality feels inconsistent, and the appeal of flashing logos has worn off. More than ever, people want authenticity, functionality, and ethics. And influencers are leading that charge. They're showing that true luxury isn't about excess, but about discernment. Maybe designer bags haven't lost their meaning entirely, but we've evolved past what they used to mean. And perhaps that evolution toward consciousness and confidence is the most luxurious thing of all. Now I'm curious, do you think luxury fashion has lost its magic? Or are people just being smarter shoppers now? Let me know in the comments. I read every single one of them and love hearing what resonates with your style. If you found value in this video, you're gonna love this next one.